Did you know you can look up any grant NEH has funded on www.neh.gov? Our query form allows you to search by institution, state, project director, or even congressional district. It covers all 50-plus years of NEH grant making. For example, if you wanted to look up all of NEH's grants to West Virginia in the last 5 years, you could do so. You can read through all of your results and find out information like institution, project director, and how much money the project received. If you scroll back to the top, you can export results to Excel and analyze the data or format it to share with others. Utilizing the query form allows you to explore the wide variety of projects funded by the National Endowment for the Humanities.